It is past 1 o'clock in the morning when Pierre leaves Prince Andrei. On the clear northern summer night he means to go straight home, but the closer he gets the less able he feels to sleep. He remembers that Anatole Kuragin is expecting his usual crowd for cards, drinking and further dissipation, exactly the kind of evening Pierre enjoys. Though he has just given Andrei his word of honor not to go, Pierre's weak will and habitual rationalizations quickly override the promise. He decides the earlier commitment to Anatole takes precedence, that words of honor are conventional and meaningless, especially since one might die tomorrow, and he heads to Kuragin's. At Anatole's large house near the Horse Guards barracks the party is already well advanced. Empty bottles and cloaks litter the anteroom, the smell of alcohol fills the air. In the rooms beyond, young men are drinking, shouting and roughhousing with a young bear on a chain. Pierre is greeted boisterously by Anatole, coatless, shirt open, and by Dolokhov, a clear-eyed, sharp-featured officer of the Semyonovsky regiment living with Anatole. Dolokhov is a notorious gambler and duelist of limited means who nevertheless dominates the circle through sheer force of personality and cool competence. Even Anatole respects him more than he is respected himself. The central event is a reckless bet. Dolokhov wagers an English naval officer named Stevens that he can drink an entire bottle of rum while sitting on the outer ledge of a third-floor window with his legs dangling and without holding on to anything. The window frame is forced out. Pierre, with his great strength, tears the oak frame free. Dolokhov climbs out onto the sloping sill, balances carefully, and drinks the bottle steadily while the others watch in tense silence. He slips slightly at one point but recovers, empties the bottle, throws it back to the Englishman and jumps safely inside to cheers. Pierre, now thoroughly drunk and excited, immediately wants to repeat the stunt himself and tries to climb onto the sill. The others restrain him with difficulty. Anatole deflects the impulse by proposing they all leave for further entertainment, taking the bear with them. Pierre seizes the bear, lifts it, and begins dancing around the room with it as the chapter ends. The episode introduces Dolokhov's cool daring and the dissolute Petersburg youth culture that both attracts and unsettles Pierre, while underscoring Pierre's impulsiveness and inability to keep his word.